Chad Beta.
You think I'd be used to this stuff by now. This is Cooking with Chad Beta. We're gonna make a pound cake. And we're gonna see how it goes. I don't have a big ass bowl. Hey, it'll do. I'm on fire! Whoa. All right, so we got BAM buttered milk, eggs, a lemon, some sugar, some powdered sugar, some flour, some salt, some baking powder, some baking soda, some lemon juice, and some milk. Let's do this thing. I just realized I don't have a good pan for this. So I'm gonna have to make it in this thing. Woo! Beat sugar and butter in large mixer bowl. Need 1 cup of butter. I'm a crazy person and I bought a shit ton of butter. 2 sticks of butter is equal to 1 cup. This is 1 cup of butter. See how big that is? It's ridiculous. 1 cup. Two cups. That looks creamy, right? Right. This is not gonna come out the way it should. I will just say that now. Because a lot of the stuff that I keep trying to make requires a mixer. Okay. Apparently I gotta add an egg. I gotta add them one at a time, apparently. Now it really looks creamy. Oh no, my spoon! Fuck! Oh, that was a bad idea. It was sweet and buttery. I need like a paper towel to set you on, bro. Or I probably should use a mixer. That probably would help too. It's getting creamier. All right, there went my 4th egg. Better watch out, ladies. I might steal your mans. Said 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So 4 of these. Oh shit! Wow. One. All right, 2 tablespoons. Or teaspoons, tablespoons. Wait, fuck. Teaspoons, okay. And then spread batter into a greased and floored 12-cut Bundt pan. Greased? Uh-oh. Hold on. All right, now that we got it in here, we gotta cook it for 55 to 65 minutes, so we'll do an hour. Right, See how this goes. Apparently I got to make a lemon drizzle. Lemon drizzle, let's see. I need powdered sugar, this is a small bowl. Small bowl. Small bowl. And then just regular milk for this one. Milk. Powdered sugar. One and 1/4 cups of powdered sugar. What else? 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. One. 2. 4. Lemon glaze. All right, got it out the oven. And now that it's really hot and out of the oven, gotta let it cool down.
For how long?
How long do you think it's gonna... I let it cool for 10 minutes, and I gotta remove the paint. Now this is gonna be the fun part. Trying to get this cake out of here. Yow! It's kind of hot. Now we got to completely cool this apparently. Make sure my glaze is still good. All right. I don't know how long it's gonna take to cool. I really want to stick it in the fridge to cool it down. It says cool completely. I don't know. I think this will fit right in there. Yeah, there we go. And we'll give it like 30 minutes. Glaze on it. This is what it says, right? Drizzle over cold cake. All right. Ooh. Mmm. Actually, it's pretty good. Well, cut it crooked, so. Oh. Nice and spongy, actually. Dip it in my glaze. Wow. I'm actually kind of proud of myself. This tastes really good. Holy crap, bear! Woo! I forgot to put on my apron. I just realized that.